Now to the coronavirus. Minnesota is nearing another positive milestone in the total amount of vaccinations. The Department of Health is estimating nearly 5 million vaccines have been administered in the state. Roughly 62% of Minnesotans have had at least one dose, and 53% are fully vaccinated. Meantime, health officials are reporting 658 new infections. 15 more people have died.
A free beer or a free fishing license for getting a coronavirus vaccine. The governor says he's on board with that. Political reporter Theo Keith joining us now. Theo, so why hasn't he done that yet?
Well, Randy, Minnesota has stood still while several other states have offered free sports tickets, even free college tuition to people for getting a coronavirus vaccine. Governor Tim Walz says that it's time to change, both to incentivize adults and also parents to get their kids a shot. Minnesota is opening its Mall of America vaccination site to walk-ins, encouraging 12 to 15-year-olds and their families to get a shot. Kendra Mueller, daughter of State Education Commissioner Heather Mueller, got hers Wednesday.
I came here because I was the last of my friend group to turn 16, so I was really excited to get vaccinated.
21,000 Minnesotans ages 12 to 15 have gotten a shot since eligibility expanded last week, about 7% of the population. Nationally, parents who don't plan to get a shot themselves say they won't have their kids vaccinated. States are now trying to overcome this hesitancy among adults. Maine is offering a free hunting or fishing license. In New Jersey and Connecticut, a free beer. In Ohio, a $1 million lottery.
If there's a chance to get something free, it might encourage you to do something. So we are really looking at it.
Governor Tim Walz says he's been told Minnesota law prevents him from giving freebies to people who get a shot. But he thinks incentives work, so he's asked attorneys to find a workaround.
I don't know if that's necessarily if somebody's sitting there saying, I'm not going to do it, but I can envision something. You got 3 or 4 friends sitting around and saying, let's go get this because they're giving free pizza if we go do it.
For now, it's fallen to Minnesota businesses like the St. Paul Saints giving free tickets to people who got a shot at the ballpark last week. Dr. Nathan Chomolo, a pediatrician who heads the state's equity push, called on employers to give workers paid time off to get the shot.
We're not going to be able to do this alone. The state government can only do so much. We need our private partners to really help us here. Even without incentives, Minnesota does rank in the top 15 as far as its residents' vaccination rate. As of today, 62% of Minnesota adults had had at least one shot. We're live tonight. Theo Keith, Fox 9.